Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo here and welcome. Have you ever wanted to add a personal touch to your home and maybe even earn a little extra cash doing something you love? Well, today we are talking about small wooden woodworking project perfect for modern home decors and surprisingly easy to turn into an income stream. You don't need a huge workshops or years of experience, just a few basic tools, some common words, and a little creativity. Let's dive into some ideas. First up, for modern home decors, think clean lines and simple shapes, geometric planters. These are super popular right now. Imagine um, small square or hexagonal wooden box for a tiny herb plant. You can make them from a few pieces of wood cut to size and glued together. Paint them white, black, or a soft gray for that modern look. They instantly add life and style to any shelf or windowsill. Minimalist coasters, forget those old clunky coasters. We are talking sleek, these squares or circles of wood. You can use a contrasting wood like walnut and maple, or just one type of wood and finishes it beautifully. Think about rounding the edges slightly for a polished feel. These protect your surfaces and look great doing it. Simple floating shelves, small ones, maybe 12 to 18 inches long, perfect for displaying a small plants of framed photos or a decorative objects. You can use a single piece of wood carefully cut and sanded, them mounted with hidden brackets for that floating effect. They add storage or visual interest without overwhelming a space. Now let's talk about how these small projects can actually make you money. This beauty of these items is there are relatively quick to make. The materials are not expensive and they are in high demand. Websites like Etsy are perfect. Take good photos of your creation, subscribe them clearly, highlighting their modern design and handmade quality. People love unique, handcrafted items for their homes. Many communities have weekend markets where local sell their goods. Set up a small attractive display, let them people see and touch your work. These events are great for getting direct feedback and making selling point. 3 customer orders. As you build up reputations, people might ask your for customs sizes or colors. This is where you can really increase your income. Don't be afraid to charge a fair price for your time and skill. Thought inspiring. Remember, start small, practice your cut and finish. Even simple projects can you look professionally with a little care and attention to detail. A good sanding and a nice clear coat or paint can make all the difference. So there you can have it: geometric planters, minimalist coasters, and simple floating shelves. Small woodworking projects that elevate your modern home decor and often a fantastic way to generate some income. What are you waiting for? Grab some wood, get creative, and start building. Thanks for watching. Same as intro, rises and fade out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.